If you want to express appreciation and support for someone or something, then these 5 English words should be in your vocabulary. 1. Acclaimed. The root of the word claim comes from Latin clamare and means to cry out or to proclaim. Prefix AC in Latin means to or towards. The suffix ed helps form an adjective and means having the qualities of. And so, acclaimed literally means having the qualities of being proclaimed. To be acclaimed means to be publicly acknowledged as excellent. We use the word acclaimed when we want to describe someone or something that is widely and favorably praised, especially by experts in the field. Here's an example. The film was acclaimed by Hollywood insiders as one of the best films in its category. 2. Commendable. The root of this word men comes from Latin mandare and means to take on one's responsibility. Prefix com in Latin means with or together, and the suffix able in English helps form an adjective and means capable of. So, the literal meaning of commendable is capable of taking on collective responsibility. To be commendable means to be worthy of high praise. You'd use the word commendable to talk about someone or something that deserves credit. Let's use the word in a sentence. The solar-powered car is a commendable invention. 3. Meritorious. The root merit comes from Latin merere and means have earned. The origin of the syllable or in the word is unclear, but it probably comes from Latin aurum and means gold, which explains the earning part. The suffix ous helps form an adjective and means he or she who or that which. So, the literal meaning of meritorious is he or she who has earned gold. Meritorious means to be deserving of reward or praise. Unlike commendable, which is only about being praised, meritorious takes a step further and suggests that one deserves to be rewarded. Let's do an example. His meritorious work earned him a promotion. 4. Exceptional. The root of the word sept comes from, yes, you got it right, a Latin word, capere, and means to take. Prefix x also comes from Latin and means out or out of. The suffix iun in English means the state of, and the suffix al helps form an adjective and means he who or that which. So, when you put it all together, the word exceptional literally means being taken out of. To be exceptional means to stand out or to be above and beyond the norm. Like in this sentence, the new novel by J.K. Rowling is exceptional. It means that the book is very good and much better than the average. 5. Laudable. The root of the word laud comes from Latin laus and means praise or glory. The suffix able is the same with commendable and means capable of. And so, the literal meaning of laudable is capable of being praised. To be laudable means to be praiseworthy or to deserve applause and admiration. We use this word when somebody does something that is worth mentioning because it is so good. Here's an example. The government took laudable actions to eliminate poverty. If you want to improve your English vocabulary and get laudable remarks from your professor or colleague, then watch this video on 5 English words to convey excitement.